Here's how to fix if your Instagram verification code is not received. Now, if you're trying to get your Instagram verification code to be able to log into your account, but it keeps texting you, quote unquote, texting you that code, and you're not getting it, there is a really cool, fairly new option that Instagram has. So let's hop into the Instagram app here, and let's hit this forgot password. Now let's hit this search by mobile number instead, and I can just enter in my phone number. Let me do that and enter in that number and hit find account. Now it will find the account and be able to text me that number. But even though I hit this send code again, it's just not coming over to my phone. There is another really cool option you have. So let's go back actually and go back again. Tap on forgot password, and here we're going to enter in our username instead. So I'm going to enter in my username. You can also enter in your email address and hit find account. Now at the very bottom, I'm going to hit no longer have access to these. And the cool thing is this is a fairly new feature that they can text your WhatsApp account instead of your phone number. So I can choose WhatsApp here if you're not getting that verification code directly to your phone number. They keep sending it, but it's just not coming through. You can try WhatsApp instead, and they'll text that code directly to WhatsApp. And basically you can use that code from there to be able to log in and change your password, all of that stuff. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.